Hi, welcome back to RTC. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 on a smartphone. By the way, if you have not subscribed yet, just click the subscribe and like button. So let's start. Click the Play Store app. Search Windows 10. Then click Win 10 Simulator. Then click Install. After finishing installing, click Open. A message will pop up. Just click Allow. Windows 10 will start installing on your smartphone. Click Next. Enter your Windows 10 name. I will input RTC Tutorials and hit Next. Here, you can create a password or leave it blank. Just click Jump. Click Accept. Another message will pop up. Just click while using this app. Now finalizing the installation. Just be patient and wait for the process to complete. Done. Now Windows 10 is now installed on your smartphone. Let's try it now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.